Ate Lotto, thank you very much for making business. How's your day? Very good. 600. This should be 620, but she doesn't have 20 peso paper bill. Guys and gals, thank you Lord for this wonderful blessing. 600 pesos. Day 97 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams, not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that, okay? Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, depressed, sad, devastated, mad, angry, and whatever ill feelings that you're having. Beware and be aware. And then, expand and enjoy. Road to 1 million plus saving challenge. Bye for now. Earn, earn, earn. Save, save, save.